Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the baby Beercoin. Now the normal Beercoin, the original Beercoin, was very popular, and you know what happens in crypto when a token is popular, out comes the baby version or the mama version or the AI version, etc, etc. So now we have baby Beercoin, and this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, June 13th, on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on the baby Beercoin and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. So you can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So it was just announced today that this token will be listed tomorrow, June 13th at 7 a.m. UTC time on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get the baby Beercoin and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, and search Bbeer, which is the ticker symbol for this token, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So this token here, it says this is a meme coin on the Solana blockchain. They have a total supply of 1 billion Bbeer tokens. If you want to join their Telegram, it is at Baby Beercoin on Telegram, 6,344 subscribers. You can preview the channel before joining, but that is a great place to see updates regarding this project. If you want to learn more about the project, that would be a great place to do so, along with their Twitter, which I'm going to put in the corner of the screen over there. At Baby Beercoin on Twitter, blue verified checkmark, 32 tweets, brand new token. You can see they just joined in June 2024, 10,200 Twitter followers. Their Telegram is linked right there, and their webpage is linked right there on the Twitter as well at babybeercoin.wtf. It says, Bbeer, the most refreshing and delicious coin in all of crypto, a decentralized community-based coin on Solana. Cheers. Welcome to Bbeer. So on their webpage, there's tons of information. If you want to see the chart, you can check them out on CoinGecko. You can check them out on Birdeye, Dex Screener, Dex Tools. All sorts of different listing sites have this token on there, and you'll be able to see the price, the chart, all that type of information on there. So they have a decent amount of holders already. Right now, this token is up 3.6% in the past 24 hours. They have a 24-hour trading volume of $221,000. They have a market cap of $4.1 million. And liquidity in Raydium is $166,000, and according to Dex Screener, 100% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. So that's great to see. 1,241 holders. Now there's 6 decimal places on this token, and they started out with a total supply of 1 billion tokens, and it's a deflationary token. So right now the current supply is 999,989,292 tokens. So on their webpage, you can see the chart, the socials, roadmap, tokenomics, all sorts of memes. Everybody loves the memes. So it says, Bbeer, the most refreshing coin, a decentralized and community-based coin with high ambitions to become one of the biggest players and climb the summit of meme coins. The perfect coin on the Solana blockchain to have fun in a great community and earn lots of money, potentially, of course. The baby beer will soon grow into a royal pilsner. Don't miss out on this innovation in the crypto world and join our community today. Cheers. So it says 0% buy and sell tax if you are going to get this token off Jupiter or Raydium or Orca. So how you would do that is you would fund your Trust wallet or your Soulflare wallet or your Phantom wallet with Sol, go into the dApps, find, say, Raydium, and then trade your Sol for the Bbeer token using the contract address that you can find on their webpage. And you won't have to worry about slippage. It does say mint is revoked. Now, their roadmap here starts with Phase 1, fair launch, coin market cap, CoinGecko listing, huge marketing campaign, central exchange listings. Phase 2, it says top central exchange listings, big partnerships, influencers, more special marketing, liquid staking pools. Phase 3, NFT collection, play to earn game, apps, and much more to be announced. Now they do have an embedded swap on their webpage as well, and they have an embedded chart on there. Their partners are Jupiter, Dex Screener, Bird Eye, SoulScan, Dex Tools, etc. And at the very bottom of their webpage, they have a contact email. Now, prior to this listing, they do have a Kickstarter event on Mexc where you vote with MX tokens to potentially win airdrops, and there's a reward pool of 50,000 USDT available, so check that out as well. And I am going to be posting a couple other listings on Mexc Global, a couple of videos on new tokens that are going to Mexc around the same time as this one, so check those out on the channel as well. But yeah, this token's doing very well. It's up 10% right now. It's on CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. 1,240 holders so far. They have a quick audit on Dex Tools. And first of all, it says 99.5% community trust score at a 207 votes. They have a 98 out of 99 Dex score. And then they have a quick audit by Quick Intel Security. And there is no warnings on it whatsoever. So it says contract verified, no honeypot, no mintable tokens, tax is not modifiable, scam risk undetected, and no other risks. Keep in mind it's just a quick audit, but there is no warnings on there. So go check this token out. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or what? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos, where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.